maayong aga, maayong udto, maayong hapon, or maayong gabi. You can also add maayong adlaw. So adlaw means the sun or the day. So maayong adlaw means good day. Maayong aga, that's good morning. Maayong udto, that's good noon. And then maayong hapon, that's good afternoon. And maayong gabi, that's good evening. So maayong aga, maayong udto, maayong hapon, and maayong gabi, or you can also add maayong adlaw. Pwede mahambal si Maria? Can I speak to Maria? Pwede mahambal si Maria? Sino palihog? Or sino ini? Or sino ni? Who's on the line, please? Sino palihog? Or sino ni? Who's this? Dali lang. Hold on, wait a minute. Dali lang, hold on, wait a minute. Si Maria bala ini? Is this Maria? Si Maria bala ini? Ara bala si Mr. or Miss Cruz? So is Mr. Cruz or Miss Cruz around? Ara bala si Mr. Cruz or ara bala si Mrs. Cruz? Wala siya diri. No, he or she is not around. So siya is gender neutral. So it refers to he or she. Wala siya diri. Diri is here. So wala siya diri. Nagkadto siya sa tindahan. So he or she went to the city or to the market. Or nagkadto siya sa Iloilo. He or she went to Iloilo. Nagkadto siya sa Manila. He or she went to Manila. Nagkadto siya sa Banwa or in the city. San o siya mabalik? When is he or she coming back? To balik means to return. So san o siya mabalik? San o siya mabalik? Ano oras siya mabalik? What time is he or she coming back or returning? Ano oras siya mabalik? Ano oras siya mabalik? Palihog siling nga nagtawag si Pedro. Please tell him or her that Pedro called. Palihog siling nga nagtawag si Pedro or palihog siling nga nagtawag si Maria. Salamat means thank you. Salamat. Madamo gid nga salamat. That means thank you very much. Madamo gid nga salamat. Wala sing anuman. So you are welcome or it's nothing or no problem. Wala sing anuman. Wala sing anuman.